I decided, because it's so close, that I walk around here and I have a physical. So the staff here, what happened was that they weighed me, and they took my blood pressure, and it was like sky high. I could have had a stroke or been 6 feet under. That's how high it was. And I didn't even know it because I was feeling very good. And they said, "You're not going to go back home. You are going to the hospital." And they called the ambulance for me, and the ambulance came, and they took me to the hospital. And what had happened, they put all these different things on my body, and they said I was very lucky to be at that hospital when I came. So thanks to Jordan Health Clinic, guess what? I'm still alive here, 2018, because they took really, really good care of me. And since then, I'm so privileged and proud to be able to come here, because the staff not only treats me like royalty, but through my observation, to everybody that comes here, nobody's a stranger. And that's the welcome that you get, no matter what your situation is and your illness. Guess what? Everybody is important. And that's one of the things, every time I think about it, it makes me so proud that this is my clinic. I don't know about those other clinics in Rochester, but guess what? This Jordan Health Clinic on Plymouth Avenue is my clinic. And I am so proud that I'm not only a patient here, but my lifestyle has improved on medication, nutrition, and exercise. Whoa, it's all good.
I started going there just because I needed a doctor. But the more I went, the more the doctors and nurses knew who I were, who I am, what I needed, what health plan I needed. And the care just continues to be the same, whether I go to dental, to the OB, or to the regular doctor. I think that's great care. Everybody's very professional, very polite. For me, it's a good place for me to go. They know about me. They know who I am. They know me by name and face. I know it's just a health center, but I feel it's better than most places.
Why?
Because they know who I am and what I need. Brandy's great. When I need her, she's always been there. It could be the smallest thing to the biggest thing. She's always, if I text her to talk to her, she texts back as soon as she can. I like her. It's great. It's been a great 10 years.
Mm-hmm. You'll continue to go to Jordan?
Definitely.
Well, Terry and Dr. Donahue been my doctors since I've been going to Jordan, and they're the best. I mean, if I call them about my health, they on it. When I go there, they on everything. They check in all my records, my blood pressure, my labs and everything to make sure everything's good. And they send me to other doctors if needed. And they just good. I love them. My pressure stay high. It's always 2-something over 1-something. And Terry she doesn't play. She be like, nope, you're going straight to the hospital. She'll call, send me straight there. They get it under control, send me home. So she doesn't play. My disabled son, he has cerebral palsy. So he goes there. I mean, they're good with him too. He's in a wheelchair. He doesn't walk. He can't get up or nothing. So they know how to work with him. And he barely understands what they're saying, but they understand and they know how to work with him. So they're very good. And I mean, my daughter goes there with her kids. My brother, his wife, and them goes there. There's a lot of my family that's up here that goes to them. So she calls me, checks on me, makes sure if I need any medicines or any prescriptions. If I'm having a hard time getting anything, she'll do it. My RG&E, she helped me take care of that because they was taking forever. And she very good. She's good. Good. I love Jordan. I don't go nowhere else. So that's where I go for everything. I go to Jordan. So I don't know about nobody else, but Jordan's good for me and my family. And that's the only place I'm going.
Well, first of all, when Dr. Jordan was on Adams Street, my mother took me to him, and he referred me before that passed away. He was a good man, and so he took me to in '63. I had found out I had a fever. They took me from Genesee, Strong, Highland, Northside in general, for those two different hospitals. And so my mother took me out to Strong, and in '70 they took me to the hospital, to the Jordan Health Center program. And so I was one of his kids he raised up. I don't know why my mother chose it, but I stuck there, because it helped my mother out and helped me out. And so I liked them better because they had the more good doctors there. And so I said, well, I'm going to stick here too. Because, hey, they give you the help that you really need. Excellent to me. And because handle all my medical bills and my medicine that I need to take. So the medicine I need to take, that's what saved my life. And Jordan Health Center was the place that I grew up around. So it was good to me. And I see what they're doing now and look more better. They got good doctors still.